What is good, YouTube? We're back. We got another video. You can actually check it out in the description. Actually, we did a spring 2021 Fear God Essentials actual like review, so I got a couple items back then. But from the fall 2021 drop, I ended up getting an item. Unfortunately, Essence here in Canada, they actually, well, their shipping is amazing, by the way. It comes like literally over the weekend on Monday usually. I thought the drop was at 11. I pretty much slept in, and then I wasn't able to get all the items I wanted, so I just ended up getting one. I actually wanted the brown taupe sweatpants, but I also did want this item as well. The thing that really pissed me off was like they were $115, 115 retail. Then I noticed a couple days after, I could tell it didn't sell in all sizes. Essence dropped the price to $100, which is like what the, I would have saved $20. Like it's like what the fuck, like this stuff's expensive. You can save 20 bucks, like that's big, right? So anyway, yeah, we'll get right into it. The collection was a really nice collection. They pretty much showed off like a new color. Is this a mustard color? They called it, I don't know exactly what they called it. We'll put it up right here with like some of the items. I said I got the volley short, something I really want for a while. I love that nylon material for the summer. This is more gonna be for the summer, unfortunately, but you know, they're really nice, just like my Nike. They're very similar to the Nike woven shorts. They actually feel a little bit better, but I'll show you everything that came with it. Anyway, so yeah, the bag, just a regular, pretty much Essentials Fear of God stuff. It's got Essentials Fear of God on here. It's in this like beige color. Just comes with like nothing really inside, just the paper usually, and then the color pistachio. Got them in medium, so waists usually go by like medium's 34 and like large would be 36, 38 would be XL. Really weird sizing, by the way. And then the tags, I love tags when it comes to like high-end clothing and stuff. I like to just collect them and ship them in like in a box or something like that. Yeah, just got Essentials Fear God with like the little string. In the back, Essence, medium, and Essentials, volley short, pistachio, the code, the style number. And then here are the shorts. I actually just wore them the other night in Toronto. So it's like a pistachio. Angela, does this look like a pistachio?
Yeah.
Because I seen them like on the people and it looked like it, and then when I got them in, I'm like, okay, wait, is this more khaki? Like I don't know what the fuck this is. Like, yeah, I do like it though. By the way, I do. But pretty much the right. If you're looking facing it on the right, Essentials Fear God branding right here. Tell very good quality. That ain't coming off in the wash anytime soon. Pretty much the always regular rubber patch, which just Essentials, it's blacked out. I love the strings on these. These are really cool. So pretty much, well, it's hard to get it on if you keep it like fully tight and stuff. Usually I just like loosen it all the way and I just let it dangle after. So this is a really cool touch from them. So yeah, you let it. I didn't notice how heavy that was. See, that's what you pay all the money for that.
And letting it just hang and dangle, right?
I know. Well, you ever? What? You find that funny? Yeah. You find that funny? Well, I mean, you never. It's all about drawstring, man.
All right.
On the inside, the tag, Essentials Fear of God. Nothing on there, but there's also like actually a mini tag that says medium, made in China. It does have 2 pockets, no zipper or anything. They just can't really fit. That's the only thing. You can't really fit a lot in these pockets. Like I was kind of worried my keys were gonna fall out and stuff with my wallet, and I usually keep my phone in my other pocket. The back, it's got a little, it's a back pocket. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
anyway, it's just got like a little back pocket on the back, and pretty simple, nothing crazy. In terms of like sizing, guys, what I would say with this is, if you're buying Essence, you'll know it'll say your waist. So like say with jeans and stuff, like I go 34, so you go medium, right? It's pretty easy. But if you're buying off say like Paxton or Top Man, it's not on there. For some, or Nordstrom, it's not on there. I just go pretty much like what you think your absolutely true bottom size is. It's not, I think if you got these like by accident, maybe like, say if I got them in large, they would still fit good too. I think that wouldn't be a problem. But if you got like say, okay, if I got medium in like a top on these, it would be like tight. So it's weird. I'm all over the place, so don't reference me. But yeah, we will have like a try on, like just see with me on, and just see how it looks on body. Because it's sometimes nice to see how like it actually looks with the colors and stuff. And you can style these with a lot. Like this is very neutral-esque, so you can pretty much pair it with anything, honestly. Yeah, this is super nice. Really happy. I would definitely want to get that, like the iridescent ones that dropped a couple years ago too, and maybe grab another one next summer or something. So yeah. Anyways, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Did you cop anything from the fall collection? At least delivery 1. Don't know if we're gonna get another delivery because we did get the Union collaboration. So, and yeah, and if you consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, turn that post notification bell right down here. It lets us know, you know, if you like the videos, and if you want us to bring more. We're trying to upgrade the quality and the content and stuff throughout the fall here in the winter, and cross your fingers for no fucking lockdown shit. So anyways guys, stay tuned for the On Body shortly, and take it easy.